So in this video, you'll learn how to update themes on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 or A56. So if you have themes added onto your phone and they normally receive updates and you want to install the update, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is just open the theme store on your device. And then once you've opened Galaxy themes, you want to go to menu and then select My Stuff. Under My Stuff, you should see this option, Update All. And so if you have multiple things that need to be updated, whether they're themes, wallpapers, icons, or always on displays, all of them will be updated. So tap on Update All, and then simply wait for the themes to be updated. So as you can see here, you have this one theme that's being updated. So just wait for it to finish going through the process. Once it's done updating, it will then say downloaded, and you can now go ahead and use the newly updated theme on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.